Well, on older versions of SolidWorks, you actually couldn't do a square face to a round face. You had to have the same number of edges. But what we can do, if we want particular control over where those points come from and land to, is we can just split this sketch that we've drawn. If you look up split entities, it's a sketch function that will break up your sketch, and I've got it here in 4 pieces now. So what I can do is select all those, and there's a particular relationship which is equal curve length. If I pick all those, and each of these curve segments will be the same length. If I make 2 of them vertical, say, then that will kind of stop it from spinning. All right, let's see what we can do now. Now what you might find is when you first do this loft, it will only come up with this one connecting line, the green dots, but if you just right click on the loft preview, you can come down and show all connectors. Now, because I made those 4 sketches of equal length in here and they have those terminating points, SolidWorks knows to kind of latch onto those. If one comes off for whatever reason, you can kind of get a little bit of a snap action happening there. It's not the easiest. It does work. And if you don't believe me that it is snapping to those points, I'll change something. Come into my sketch, remove that equal length. So now as I drag this short little length here will be on the left and all the rest will be equal length. Tick that off. I will have to recreate my loft again. But once I do that, see how it's snapping to those points, right? So this is one way where you can kind of control how the loft is actually behaving. Once again, we'll add in our tangencies, which will make it flow a lot nicer. And finally, if you don't want it solid, like you're creating some kind of exhaust system for airflow or whatever, you can just shell the part and you'll create this nice even thickness shape for your airflow to follow. Another trick if you want to smoothen it out even more is sometimes, depending on your geometry, you can add in some fillets, or indeed you might get a better result if you fillet before doing the shell function. That way you get the same kind of smoothing inside and out. Just kind of depends what you're actually after, right?